I was outside, and I guess a bird attacked my head. And now the bird flew in the house from outside, and I don't know where it's at. And I think it's like taunting me. I don't know where it went. Pretty scared. Left the door. Oh, goddamn! Ah! Shit! Did you see it? You see the fucking bird? I'm scared. Get out of here, bird! Hey! There it is. You see the bird? Come on. Out of here. Oh, I want to shoot it. There's a bird in the house. I'm terrified. It's chasing me. I don't know what to do. Turn off the air so the heat won't get out. There's a bird. You see the bird? Come on, bird. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. There it is. Get out of here, bird. Hey. Get out of here. Go. There's the door right there. Get out. Help me. I think I need to call 911. I'm terrified of birds. I don't know what to do. Bird, go away. Fuck, look at it. It's puffing up. I don't know what to do. I'm scared. If anybody comes home and I'm dead, there's the culprit. Just want you to know. I think I'm gonna die tonight. See the bird? There it is. Right there. I was cleaning everything up. I'm starting to make food. And went outside to get trash bags, and it popped me on my head coming up the stairs, and it beat me in the house. There's a fucking bird. Right there. Get out of there! I don't want you here. Oh, this is fucking... It's like 7 in the morning. I just got back from the gym. I feel super swole, and this little bird's beating me up. Oh, I need to let Bear. Where's Bear? Where's Steven? I don't even know where they are. Oh, there you go. Oh, shit. You're close. You're close. That's not outside. That's not outside. Oh shit. Oh shit.